Toyota Motor Corporation, together with Toyota Motors Philippines, jointly unveiled the new generation Toyota Hiace during the new model's world premiere held at the Grand Hyatt Manila, Bonifacio Global City.
Toyota Motor Corporation Japan chose to launch the all-new Hiace here in the Philippines because we are the largest in terms of sales of Hiace in the world, and they're giving us this honor of introducing the all-new Hiace for the first time.
The two companies officially introduced three variants of the all-new Hiace: the GL Grandia Tourer, the GL Grandia, and the Commuter Deluxe. Both the Commuter Deluxe and the GL Grandia will be available for retail in all Toyota dealerships nationwide starting in March. Meanwhile, the GL Grandia Tourer will be available in early April. Toyota takes pride in the all-new Hiace's design and engineering. The new model has been revamped inside and out. Toyota also changed the engine's position to provide more comfort and better experience to both driver and passenger. The fuel-efficient 1GD FTV 2.8-liter engine ensures that the vehicle can traverse any road while carrying any load.
The last change that we had was actually 15 years ago. So this change is very big. We feel like the market will really appreciate it. Just from the position of the engine, we have already switched it to the front. So this improves overall riding comfort for the passenger, also for the drivers, which I think is the biggest change. Also, the design is very much improved. So it's more aerodynamic, and actually the materials that were used are more insulated. So it will reduce also the noise that you will get from the outside.